वर्सांवर्स दर्यादेगांनी रेंव व्हांवून वता आनी हाचो परिणाम मुखार वायट म्हूण WRDच्या अधिकाऱ्या वांगडा आमदार अलिना साल्दानान वेलसांव दांडो दर्यादेगेची पळोवणी केली. ADEX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Provide the fishermen with access to the beach so that they can carry on with their fishing activity. Our engineers have very definitely decided that they will leave certain gaps in between the entire stretch, gaps where these tetra tripods of concrete will not be placed, so that those gaps will be kind of ramp structures, natural ramp structures, so that they can move their boats in and out. Okay. Now this care has to be taken for the sake of the fishermen. But I think from all points of view, especially from the safety point of view, they are being instructed, as our engineer has just informed you. They are taking instructions and guidelines from the CWPRS, Pune. And they'll be going again now. They've clicked quite a few photographs to show what is the present status of the beach coastline. And we have found that there is erosion happening almost everywhere. As you can see, if you focus on those boats there, you will find that the sand from underneath the boats has been washed away, and almost half the boat is like hanging in the air. This is just to show how erosion is happening. If you look here, if you look at this here, you can see how sand is being washed away.
या तुफान सामकें चड पर येयली आनी ह्या पर्या येता म्हण कातरून गेले 15 मिटर जमीन आमची ही कातरून गेली. हांगा बसून झाडां आयली ती बसून सगळी कातरून गेली. आनी तेन्ना आमकां भंय दिसली. रातची आमी सामके जाग्यार रावताली, कित्याक केरळा जाल्यार ती बसून जायत म्हणून. पूण देवान हें कायलें. हांवें मागीर रोवडें वचून आलिना बायक सांगलें वयाशिवाय जालो. आलिना रोखडेंच हें घेतलें ते आनी आलिना बायन सगळें फामाद केलें.